Welcome to our specialized waterproof bag manufacturing facility. We focus on the R&D production of various waterproof bags, providing professional OEM and ODM customized manufacturing services. With years of professional industry experience, we deliver high-quality tailored production solutions for global brands, wholesalers, and cross-border e-commerce sellers. Our factory is equipped with standardized workshops and complete advanced production lines to finish the whole manufacturing process. Independently, we mainly produce diverse outdoor waterproof bags, adopting premium sealing technology. Our products feature excellent waterproof performance, great abrasion resistance, and reliable quality. We flexibly support large-scale mass production and small batch trial orders to meet different market needs. We carry out strict full process quality control throughout production. All products comply with international industry standards and maintain a high qualified rate. We provide professional one-stop customization services, covering custom logos, dimensions, color schemes, and private mold development. As a direct factory supplier, we ensure stable delivery and sound after-sales service. We sincerely welcome global partners to establish long-term cooperation and achieve mutual win-win development.